We start off this task by updating our current homepage. At the moment, it's just a blank page, and we're going to add search function into here, along with some example rooms. In our project folder, open F, controllers, and page controller. So right now, for the sake of simplicity, we just want to display all the rooms in our homepage. So for that reason, we're going to say add rooms equal room.all. Save it. That's it for the controller. Now we need to display those rooms in the home page. So open F, Views, and going to Pages and home.html.erb. Now just remove them. As you guess, we're going to list all the rooms that returns from the controller into here. So because we already done that in the showroom page, so I'll just speed up the code here. So we got loop through the rooms, and for every single room, we just put the image and a link to that room into a panel. Right, so nothing new because we've done that in a showroom page. Start the server and open the home page. Here is what we got, all the room that we have in the system. Also, in our home page, we want to add a search function so people can search for their destination with a specific time frame. And we'll do it now. In the home page, we're going to add a form with 3 text fields: location search, start date, and end date. And first, we need to get a form, like form tag. And we're going to redirect to search path. Method would be get do. And alright, so now let's start with a row. And inside a row, we should have a couple of columns. So this one, let's say for 6. This one, let's say for 2. Alright, so for the first one, let's start with the text field tag, and we're going to say search, right? The params should be search. So we're going to pass a param named search along to. So the placeholder would be where are you going? The class would be form control. Alright, very simple and nothing new. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing with this one, but this one we could say start date. Start date as well, and for the placeholder we say start date. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one, but this one should be ended. Alright, the last thing we want to do is very simple. Just add a submit button. So we can say submit tag. This one says search, and the class well, actually should be a button. So btn primary. Notice here our form once submitted will be direct to the search path, which is here. We don't have this one yet, but we'll be creating it in the next session. For now, because here we have 2 fields for date range, so as you might guess, we need to implement those jQuery UI script for started and ended. So let's do it now. Under here, we're going to create a script. We don't need this, so just remove it. Now, we're going to say function, and inside the function, first we say start date dot date picker, and the date format would be day, month, year. You can change it to the format that you want to. It's not necessary to be like that. So the min date 0, max date would be 3 months, and on select would be function selected. Alright, so in here we got the end date picker, and here we pass option min date and selected. Also, we need to say end date dot attribute disabled to be false. Alright, so we already know what's happening here, so I'll just copy this one and create another one for end date. So for end date, we just need to change this one to end date. Everything looks good. So for end date, we don't need this one, and this one we change to start date, and this one say max date. We already done this for our reservation form, so nothing new here. Open your web browser and hit refresh. Now straight away we have an error. That is reasonable because we haven't got the search path yet, which we will going to do in the next video. And for now, we just leave it like that, and in the next video we're going to implement the search action for our controller. So you will see how it works. Just leave it like this, and I'll see you in the next video.